Imagine being able to record video on your phone with the same quality that professionals use. There is officially an option that allows this, but it's not immediately visible. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find and enable it so your recordings can be top-notch. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you're always updated when I upload new tutorials. Let's get started. First, find and open the Settings app on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and find the Camera section, then tap on it. When you're on the Camera Settings page, you'll see a bunch of options. Find the option called Format and tap on it. Here, you'll also see several options. The one we need is ProRes, located in the Video Capture section. Tap the switch next to it to activate it. After you activate this option, open the Camera app and switch to video recording mode. Right away, you'll see the ProRes option appear in the top left corner, which allows you to turn this option on and off directly, without having to go into settings every time. This way, you can quickly switch to high-quality recording whenever you want. Your iPhone will start recording video in a much higher quality format, with more detail and richer colors. Keep in mind that these videos will take up significantly more space on your device, so make sure you have enough memory available. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon.